Choose the correct outdoor light fixture, transform your space style, ambience and safety in one. But there are some installation guides that you have to consider. First are the wall sconces. Sconces should be installed at your eye level, almost around 66 to 72 inches from the ground for optimal lighting and aesthetics. Number 2 is the outdoor hanging light. If your ceiling height is up to 9 feet, hang your outdoor light fixture 7 feet above the ground for comfortable clearance. If your ceiling height is above 9 and you have a high ceiling, you need to hang your outdoor light fixture almost 6 inches above the door or adjust for proportion. For over the table or seating areas, you need to hang your outdoor fixture almost around 3 feet above the table for balanced lighting. Number 3 is the post light. First of all, you have to choose the right spot and keep in mind that you need to keep them apart for 5 to 6 feet for even lighting. Also, keep the lights 7 to 8 feet high for the best effect. To choose the best outdoor light fixture for your space, visit Sparkle Light today.